In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Valorant secure boot and TPM 2.0 error. So let's get started. So we're going to look at a step-by-step explanation that goes through all the steps to fix this error. So let's get started with the first step, which is access BIOS setup. So number one, access BIOS setup. So to do this, you'll have to turn off your Acer device, press the designated key to enter the BIOS setup during the boot process. This key is usually displayed on the screen during startup, which is often F2, F10, or del, the delete option or the delete button. Now the second step is to locate secure boot and TPM 2.0 settings. Locate secure boot and TPM 2.0 settings. This is our second step. So navigate through the BIOS menus to find the sections related to secure boot and trusted platform module, which is short for TPM. The exact locations may vary depending on your BIOS version. The next one we have is enable secure boot. So enable secure boot. So find the secure boot option and enable it. You might need to select a specific boot mode like UEFI secure boot. The next one is enable TPM 2.0. Enable TPM 2.0. Now locate the TPM 2.0 option and enable it. This might require activating the TPM device within your BIOS settings. And lastly, we have save changes and reboot. Save changes and reboot. So after enabling both Secure Boot and TPM 2.0, save your changes and exit the BIOS setup and your device will reboot. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.